What's up, guys? How you doing? I have a box here of some like old, not old school, but like some Matchbox and Hot Wheels that I had. I found it. I had it there, and I wanted to show you guys what's in here. Go through them one by one. Let's see. There might be something special. There might not be anything. So we have the Porsche. That is just Porsche 934. I don't even know. Why did I pick up this car? Maybe I did because I wanted to start collecting Porsches, as they said. I like the car art. So that's the Porsche. What year is this? This is 2015. Dang. This was from that case. Let's see what else. This is a Matchbox. Why did I get this? I don't know. However, this is a Swift shuttle. Why did I get it? I don't know. I don't know what I was thinking, but I got it. Again, this is an old box that I had there. Oh, another Porsche. That's why I was collecting Porsches. Because I think I was gonna start collecting Porsches, and I said, let me collect every Porsche that I see. So there might be a whole bunch in here. There might be more. So that's another one. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, Volkswagen Transporter cab. Yeah, this was I was seeing this in a lot of videos. I picked it up, so we have some stuff back there in the bed. No sunroof. Other than that, cool casting. Next up, oh, I remember this one I bought. This is old, but I picked it up at a vintage store. What is this? This is the first edition. What? Hyperliner. Hyperliner. This is right there. Trying to focus for you guys. Hyperliner. Yep. This is it right here. Oh shoot, look at this. There's something going on over here. There's something going on. Hyperliner. Okay, Hyperliner. Old school Hyperliner. And what else is in here? We've got Austin Mini Cooper. 1964. Nothing special, guys. Again, I don't remember what's in here, so I'm just going through each and every one of them. So that's another Matchbox. Oh, it's cracked open here. Let's see what else. Old school. Okay, come here. I got another old school Hot Wheel. This is called Holden. If anybody knows from what collection or what... why did I get this? I don't know. This is pretty old. I got a few years back, so again, I don't remember what's in here. So that's another one. We have another Matchbox. And this is a Tuk. This is, I heard this is like one of those taxi cabs that they have in Indonesia. Yeah, they use these kind of like, it's like a scooter, but then it has like a little cabin attached to it, and then it could fit a couple people in there. So that's that. What else is in here? Let's see. We've got, was this a treasure hunt? No. Bone shaker. It was not a treasure hunt. I thought it was. Got the flames going though. I don't know. Why did I get this? I don't know. I honestly don't know why I got these cars, but I got them. So again, I don't know what's in here. Let's see. We got a few more in here. Next up, come here. Oh, we got a Chevy Silverado, 2014 Chevy Silverado right there. Nice truck for those of you who like trucks and going off-road. What year is this from? This is from 2016. Okay, 2016. Again, I don't know what's in here. What's next? Let's see. Next up is a Jeep Wheelie 4x4. I remember these. Why I got it, I don't know, but I got it. Jeep Wheelie. Next up, what else is in here? Oh, Ford truck, 1956. For the metalheads, right there. It's like a matte black, right? Yeah, matte black. It says metal all over, man. Hot rod. All right, what else is in here? Another. This is another Volkswagen Transport cab. Another one. We have two. Let's see. We have two. So we should open one up, right? We're gonna open it up in a little while. What's next? Surprise! What's in here? Oh dang! This is the zoom in. You know why I got this? Because I thought about getting a GoPro, and I did. As you can see, it's this GoPro. I did get a GoPro, but not this little one here. I got the regular one, so that's why I got this. What else? Oh man, I hope you guys are enjoying this video as much as I am. Here we go. Okay. 1978 Dodge Little Red Express. They actually have one of those. I think Car Culture now came out with one of these. You know, with the real riders and metal face. So that's that. What else is in here? We got a Chevy Silverado. This is the Car Art edition right here. From the Car Arts. Some people like this one just because it's a Chevy. I think I picked it up because I wanted to collect all the Car Arts. I think I did though. I might be in a different box. Again, this is all stuff. I don't even know what's in here. Another Chevy Silverado. This is from the Hot Wheels workshop. Okay, all right, not bad. What else we've got in here? Another truck. Another Ford. Oh my gosh. Another Ford truck. All right. Another one, just a different color. How many left? 1, 2, there's 3 left. Ah! Wait a minute. Now we're talking. Yes! This is the little 66 Dodge A100. Yeah. This one, yes. Yeah, this one I like. And I had it in a different color, in the red. I think I sold it though. Like that. I feel 2 more. See, who's next? Ah, another Dodge A100 truck. This is in a different color. I told you I had it in a different color. I had the red. I don't think I have the red though. I don't think. I hope I do, but I don't think, because I think I sold it. So now we have 2. All right, so, and the last one is a 2015 Ram 1500 police car. Yeah. What does this say here? Oh, National Parks. Forest Ranger. Cool, man. Look at that. National Parks Forest Ranger. All right. that's it for the mystery box. Well, not a mystery box, but you know, that was just a box. So yeah, that was stuff that was in there, and I didn't know what was in there, so I just wanted to see what it was. It was an old box of mine that I found. Not that I found, it was just laying there, and I wanted to go through it. So there you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. I think in the next video we're gonna do an opening. So to the next one, guys. Take care.